Howdy doody. You don't know me, but you might be lucky enough to find out that I'm a psychological manifestation of Countdown creator Wombu, projected from your own internal demons. Currently dying from allergies. Hello! It's time once again for some terrifying shit! Fuck. What is relevant again? I don't know. Start the fucking video, damn you! A pox! A pox on all your bits! I would not partake in the green trap. Spouting, splashing, soaking, innards, ingesting, in choking. My language is fucking broken. Fuck me, it's a trap. Sir, is this your shit? Did you drop your shit? Sir, please, sir, take your fucking shit! God damn! Anyway, here's specimen 13. Ah, you thought you were gonna smooch a pretty mermaid, but gotcha. Her teeth are actually piano keys. Oh, you might think you're safe now, but just wait. Soon the rest of my body will align with the Z-axis and then you'll be fucked. New special specimen locales. Get a load of these sexy test tubes. Ah, fuck, one of them broke. Someone should get spooky over here to do nothing about it. Guess we know why there's no more people around.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Number 12.
Shit, I'm really not supposed to be here. Oh god. Is that a fucking Madoka Magica reference? Okay, I'm sorry. So no hate, my ass got 8. For a while it was great. Hopefully you can relate. And now we move on to number 9. Come on, man, I had a good thing going there. It was a good flow. And now it's fucked up. 9? Fucking 9? Motherfucking 9. God damn it. Honestly, who even made that number? I can't believe this shit. Taste the beef! No, fellas, is it gay to
Fucking eat!
out goddamn Otto eats of the pizza Otter? Fuck. I'm gonna need you guys to bear with me, cause I'm gonna do a bit of a thing here. Stop! If things get really quiet, and then all of a sudden there's a thing with a noise.
10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh god. Oh, it was only a dream. Anyway, the point I was Fuck you! Friends, foes, the halfway point approaches us with great imminence. Thusly, pussy! Yeah, this feels like karma. Nice.
There's some doors in this house.
I'll get it.
Catnap!
This is Catnap. And like the others of his line, you just...
The lol funny sex number hit me like my finger over the enter key as I spam take the dead to my friends moments before they block me. For as many specimens as we've already covered, I feel like we haven't quite ticked all the horror gameplay boxes. When you see something scary in a game, what do? Well, you run, and there's a shit ton of running in this game, but I feel like there's normally a second part to that. You run and die horribly?
I am dead.
No, that's the bad way to do it. You run and what? I think it starts with an H? You run and hit it with your axe. No, that's not it. But I'm getting closer. I can feel it. I'm sorry, I need to what? Hide? Well, this game was made by a weeb with a Japanese pseudonym. It's probably one of those things that just got lost in translation. This old man with the sickle? I don't like him. I don't like his design, and I'm not scared of him. There's a lot of reasons why I feel like I should be, but a lot of the time I just can't take him seriously.
Are you in here? I'm so lonely. Where are you? I can smell you. I'm so lonely.
Now begs the question, if I don't actually like Specimen 12, then why did I rank this guy in the top 5? I didn't.
Just like me. Empty inside.
Bab. Hey, what are you doing? Ever heard of personal space, bitch? What's your fucking deal? Plus she's named Bab.
So, you made it this far. That's great.
Dear Lord. It's the Dear Lord. Stop saying that! Wait, who is it? I didn't even write a proper opening to this one. I gotta check again. Number 2 is Shitty Eel Bitch. What the fuck am I even looking at? This can't seriously be my number 2. This thing is goddamn pathetic.
Number 1.
Please insert your own confused onomatopoeia. Just kidding, I'm gonna eat your legs.